Okay guys, I know the best news. Are you ready? This bag was only £1,500. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today we have a really exciting unboxing to do, and I actually bought a bag from a brand I have never bought anything from before. I mean, you guys can see this is a FARFETCH video. I love collaborating with FARFETCH. FARFETCH is just amazing. You know, you order something today, it ships so quickly. Their customer service is incredible. You know, they're always there for you. Guys, I am so excited. I bought some dresses as well and stuff that I want to show you, but I think we're all here for the bag first, right? If you want to guess what brand this might be before we actually start to unbox it, I haven't seen it yet, please do so now in the comment section down below. Oh, I know I moved the camera. Okay, so here we are. Let's do this. Let's look at the bag first and then style the bag with different outfits. And guys, the moment of truth. I asked some of you in the past what you think about this brand and the quality, and now I'm going to experience the quality by myself, and of course I will give you an update. Okay, this is such a FORFETCH bag. If you know me, guys, you will look at this bag and think, oh yeah, I get it. So it shipped from the Heraldo boutique. So FARFETCH has like so many boutiques all over the globe that they work with, and they ship the items from like anywhere. So, you know, if you live in London like me, we have so much stock, but sometimes, you know, if I want a specific Lanvin bag, it's sold out. But you can go on FARFETCH and most of the time you can find those pieces. Okay guys, I am so excited. I have never seen this bag in person. I got my scissors here. I'm prepared. Let's do this. It's full of crystals. That's what I can tell you already. You guys know I might want to get my Lanvin bag soon, but I saw this one. I was like, wow, the colors and the crystals, and it's such an embroidered beauty, and the price is actually very, very good. Oh my god, okay, here we can see the brand. Can we see it? It is a Versace bag, and I have never in my life owned a Versace bag. I mean, guys, have you seen the most recent runway show where Paris Hilton was, you know, closing the show with her final pink Barbie wedding dream look? I absolutely loved it. And on top of that, they had so many amazing bags throughout the entire show, like these metallic pink and purple bags, and I just loved it. So I think that made me actually look more into Versace, and then I found this. Okay, I got a sneak peek. What? What? This is incredible. Oh my god, it looks so much better than on the pictures. And can we see how it's shimmering? Oh, wow. Okay, I am stunned. This is like New Year's Eve in a bag. Guys, if you want the perfect bag for the holiday season, the upcoming holiday season, I think this is perfect for Christmas and for New Year's Eve. And guys, this bag actually comes in the black that I have, but it also comes in like a pink. And I was really drawn between which one to get, but I finally decided to go with the black one because you guys know I love black. Nothing's gonna stop me from getting the pink one as well in the future, right? So let me show you the handle. I mean, can you see how beautifully they wrapped it all? And that service, you know, when you order something online, you want to make sure, you want to know that the product you're buying is shipped properly. And I mean, look at the amazing work they did. Like, nothing can happen to this bag. Wow, I think nobody has ever touched this before. Okay, here we are. Okay, let me give you a close-up. Wow, is this not incredible? That I'm speechless. And guys, we know that doesn't happen that often. So it is satin. It is black satin. This is the back of the bag. The side. You probably have like 100 crystals on here, and it doesn't come with any feet, so you have to be careful and protect this little satin beauty. And then, guys, you have this incredible hardware. Wow. Is this eye candy or what? I think I wouldn't be worried. Like, lots of people obviously don't buy crystal bags because they're worried what happens if a crystal falls out. You know, we've seen that with other bags in the past. And should we do this together? Take off the little sticker. Oh, nice. And so I think it comes with a shoulder strap as well. That is incredible. So I think when you buy a designer bag like this, you can always bring them back in, you know, if you lose a crystal. Sometimes they come with extra crystals as well. Let's see if that's the case. But not, you just bring it into your local Versace boutique and you're good. This bag was only £1,500 for a crystal embellished bag, and I mean, I cannot believe it. It's such a good price. Do you know how much these kind of bags cost if you look at other brands? It was such a good price. And guys, if you want to order this one or any other Versace bag, or if you find anything else on FARFETCH, use my code to get a discount. And you know, these items are so expensive, so every little bit helps, right? I think, you know, it's an incredible deal. Oh no, I haven't shown you the inside yet, right? Okay, so it's totally satin. Oh no, it's leather lined actually. Oh wow, that's what gives it its structure. So the back is leather lined on the inside. You have a couple of card slots there. It's actually good space, I have to be honest. And yeah, this is the snap button that it comes with. Okay, let me show you what else I bought. Okay, next up guys, you know that I recently got 2 unreal fur coats, right? And you can find them on FARFETCH as well. I'm gonna put them on now to show you how it looks like. Oh, I absolutely love them. I think they are perfect for the upcoming winter season and they feel so nice, and it's vegan fur coats. What I want to show you next, what I got from FARFETCH. This stunning self-portrait dress. I saw it on the model and I was like, oh my god, this is me in a dress. It's lace, you know, it's see-through, you have a little like nude underdress, and it's long, and we're gonna try it on with this beautiful bag and see how this looks like, because crystal overload, you know, it's perfect for the festive season. Also guys, I just realized I haven't shown you the strap that comes with the bag. It comes with an adjustable leather strap. So can you see this? There's 2 little loops, leather loops on the inside of the bag. So we're just gonna get that through there. That's actually quite practical. I'm gonna put it on the shortest length now. Voila! You can actually just wear it on your shoulder as well, guys. I also got this Blackbird faux fur coat from Unreal Fur, and like I said, you can find these pieces on FARFETCH and use my code, right, to get a discount. So it works on almost everything. So definitely always try the code to see, you know, how much discount you can get on individual items. Hello! So first of all, I thought I'm gonna show you quickly this amazing velvet dress. I love it so much. And guys, Halloween is here, so let me show you something. Look at this feather crown. So I thought, like, this is a cool, stylish Halloween outfit with which you stand out. But it's still really like fashionable, right? And I feel like this bag goes really well with this. Tell me if you love to dress up for Halloween as well, and as what you dressed up. Oh my god guys, this is the most gorgeous dress I've gotten in so long. And voila, here we are. So I am speechless. This is one of the nicest dresses I have gotten in a long time. Maybe because it's so me, you know, and I really feel like myself. That might be it. So I absolutely love it. Self-portrait, I feel like I'm gonna add many more self-portrait dresses to my collection in the future. Paired it with these little crystal bags because it goes so well with all the crystals here. And guys, so I ordered UK size 8, which is my regular size, and it's true to size, you know. So I think with self-portrait you can definitely order your regular size and you're gonna know it's gonna fit, because I wasn't sure. But yeah, it fits me really, really well. And let me show you. Here's my little bag. And I think you can wear it, you know, even though this is kind of silver and this has gold, you can mix everything nowadays. I mean, I got my platinum engagement ring here, and then I got my gold rings on my other hand. It works, right? So yeah, I think I'm ready for the festive season. And look how great this entire outfit looks with the unreal fur blackbird coat. Like I said, I put everything in the description box below if you want to find these pieces. You can find it all on FARFETCH and use my code. Just remember, it's definitely worth it. So yeah, I think it's a really, really nice combination. The dress, the coat, the bag. Let me show you the white one as well. And the white coat. This one is called, I want to call it the Himalayan coat because it just reminds me of a Himalayan Birkin, and I think one of you guys have actually said the same, that, you know, how amazing would this coat look if I was carrying a Himalayan Birkin now. But I think it is called Snow Leopard. Yeah, they have so many other beautiful coats, like the regular leopard one is beautiful as well. But yeah, these are my two coats that will hopefully get me very nicely warm and cozy through the winter time. And guys, a funny little story to end this video. So when I was looking at FARFETCH, in terms of what Versace piece is going to be my first Versace piece, what am I going to get, you know? It was very exciting, and I was looking at everything they have Versace, and I found this pet bed. And I was like looking at my husband, I was like, should we get a pet bag? Like a nice Versace designer pet bag for the bunnies? And my husband was looking at me like, nope, nope. Like, the bunnies are not gonna get a Versace bed. So that was just funny. But they also have this cup, for example. They had so many cups, and I just found it was hilarious, like what kind of stuff you can find when it comes to Versace. So yeah, I really, really hope that you're gonna let me know what you find and what you are thinking of buying, what you end up buying. You know, I always get so excited when you guys tell me what you're purchasing. Okay guys, so I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, join our little handbag obsessed family here, because we all do have the same luxury disease. Yes, we do. And yeah, a little bit more of this. And I'll see you again very soon. Bye.